Imagine you just bought a brand new, sleek ooma handset. It's shiny, it's powerful, but it's missing something: a name. Ever wondered why we name our pets but not our phones? Or maybe you've named your phone but never thought about naming your ooma handset. Well, today we're going to dive into the world of ooma handset naming and explore why it might be more fun than you think. Before we get to the naming process, let's talk about why you might want to name your ooma handset. For some, it's a way to personalize their device. For others, it's a fun way to add a touch of personality to their home. And for some, it's just a plain old tradition. Naming techniques. Now, let's get to the fun part: naming your ooma handset. Here are a few techniques you can use. Personal connection. Think about something that has personal significance to you. Is there a place you love? A hobby you're passionate about? A favorite character from a book or movie? Use that as inspiration. Play on words. Have fun with wordplay. You could create a pun, a portmanteau, or even a made-up word. Descriptive names. Describe the handset's appearance, functionality, or your intended use for it. For example, if it's sleek and black, you could name it Noir. Random name generator. If you're stuck, there are plenty of online random name generators that can give you some ideas. Examples. Let's explore some real-life examples of ooma handset names. The Communicator. A classic name inspired by the Star Trek device. The Phone Booth. A playful nod to the iconic red phone booths. The Chatterbox. A simple, descriptive name for a talkative user. The Gadget. A generic but still fitting name. Tips for choosing a name. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when choosing a name. Make it memorable. You want a name that you'll remember and that will be easy to say. Keep it simple. Avoid overly complicated or difficult to pronounce names. Consider your personality. Let your name reflect your unique style and personality. Benefits of naming your ooma handset. Naming your ooma handset can be a fun and rewarding experience. Can also have some practical benefits. For example, it can help you distinguish your handset from others, especially if you have multiple devices. It can also make your handset feel more like a personal extension of yourself. So there you have it. Naming your ooma handset is a simple but fun way to personalize your device. Whether you choose a personal, playful, or descriptive name, the most important thing is to have fun with it. Now, I want to hear from you. What would you name your ooma handset? Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.